Alright, since today I gotta sit in the parking lot because parents can't go into the stadium to watch their kids play sports, I'm gonna do a bit of a car video. So obviously you can see in this Nissan Pathfinder, the passenger side windshield wiper is junk. So I'm gonna be replacing them with these Bosch Icon wiper blades. One is an 18-inch and the other is a 24-inch, and they're both type A's. So the real bad windshield wiper blade is this passenger side one. You can see a portion of the actual wiper blade is peeled right off, so it's not really doing too much anymore. Passenger side is an 18A, driver side's 24A. So for some reason, the two wiper blades are a little bit different on this vehicle. I don't know if I did that, I somehow doubt it, but the passenger side one has a little hinge you have to lift up, then you push the wiper blade back off the wiper blade arm. So you can just see a little hinge piece there. Now these Bosch windshield wiper blades have sort of a security latch that lifts up. You can see a little bit better when I do the driver's side, but the hook on your wiper blade arm gets secured onto the wiper blade, and then that little security latch drops down over top. So you can see the security latch right there. So with the blade secured, you just drop that little security latch down and you're done. So the driver's side doesn't have that latch, it just peels straight back off the wiper arm. And here's the 24-inch Bosch Icon. Again, it's got that little security door that lifts up. It's kind of hard to see in the sun, but there's a rounded edge in there that the curve on the wiper blade arm fits through. So you feed the wiper blade arm up into the wiper blade, and then it slots onto the actual windshield wiper. Pull it forward till it's secure, and then close that little security door, and then your windshield wiper blade won't go flying off when you're driving down the road. And that's it. Maybe a 10-15 minute job. So you can see the windshield wipers work great, and the passenger can now see out the windshield. And it's a balmy -10 out this morning. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.